My name is Kelly McPartland. I'm the Senior Product Line Manager for our FTIR products within the Environmental and Process Monitoring business unit. The Thermo Scientific MAX-Bev system is a fully automated CO₂ purity monitoring system that's used both to certify CO₂ from producers, and it's also used to certify trucks at beverage bottling facilities for companies like Coca-Cola. Monitoring CO₂ purity is so critical in the beverage industry, both for consumer safety and for product quality. Traditional CO₂ purity analysis techniques require wet chemistry, which would involve taking a sample, taking it into a laboratory, and doing several different analyses. So with the MAX-Bev, all the user has to do is simply connect their liquid CO₂ sample. That sample gets vaporized, and the analysis is performed completely automatically. So the advantage is really speed. This is a lot faster. It's a lot simpler. There's no wet chemistry involved, and it's something that, again, anyone can do.
My name is Sarah Heald, and I'm the Quality Supervisor here at Coca-Cola Beverages Northeast, the Londonderry Production Center. My role in that is creating the perfect sip, and the Thermo Scientific MAX-Bev system is helping me do that.
So at a beverage production facility, imagine there's either trucks or rail cars delivering loads of CO₂ several times per day.
A small amount of the CO₂ that's in his tanker will be diverted into the MAX-Bev to be analyzed for impurities.
The truck driver will get out, they'll connect their CO₂ line to a remote truck interface station, and in a few quick clicks, they can initiate an analysis of that CO₂.
Everything is shown very simple in a pass-fail manner, and the lab tech will give the driver the okay to offload his delivery, and the lab tech can go inside without any more contact with the truck driver.
So the MAX-Bev system stores the results of each batch analysis indefinitely on the computer. Those results are all logged in a historical database. At any time, the user can generate a historical report for those batch analyses, or go into the database and print or generate a certificate of analysis.
If I had a consumer complaint of an off taste or a low CO₂, I can then go to the MAX-Bev at any point, pull results from any date to look at any sort of data that I need, and I can track anything from that point.
Some impurities like benzene are a safety hazard. Benzene's a carcinogen. So we want to protect consumers against any hazardous components in the gas. But also certain impurities affect the flavor or the color of the beverage. So for example, acetaldehyde may be present from some CO₂ sources, and that affects the flavor of the soda or the soft drink.
Because the purity of beverage-grade CO₂ is so high, the analyzer has to be able to read the impurities at a really low level. So that's why the FTIR technology has to be accurate.
The MAX-Bev system uses an FTIR gas analyzer, and the FTIR can analyze many different impurities as well as absolute purity of the CO₂ simultaneously. And it can do that because there's a very wide dynamic range. So the technology is capable of measuring both impurities down to low ppb levels like total sulfur or benzene, and simultaneously it can analyze total CO₂ purity to 99.9%, which is a specification. So with the Thermo Scientific MAX-Bev system, our customers can be sure that the CO₂ is of the highest quality, so that they'll have the best tasting end product, but also their customers are safe.